everyone! Nandito tayo sa Lahati guys. So, dinaanan namin itong lugar na to maraming beses na. And ito lang talagang time na to na nakapagbigay kami ng panahon na mag-stop talaga. Actually, galing kami ng Karakainan kasi pumili ako ng mga ibang gagamitin ko para sa garden. And andito tayo sa Ristolan, Laidon. And this is one of the oldest living space here in Finland. So, pwede natin i-visit yung mga lambs na andon guys. Yung mga lambs na meron sila is mga Finnish lamb siya. Tapos, merong instruction dito na hindi pwedeng magbigay ng mga pagkain sa kanila. Kasi yung mga pagkain na, itong mga grasses na andito sa field guys is enough na yan for the lamb. And they get easily sick kapag binigyan natin sila ng ibang pagkain. So merong stairs dito, papasok tayo doon sa loob ng kulungan or yung bahay ng mga lamb. Andoon sila guys, actually sa tabi lang to ng road, malapit sa Karakainan. So dito, andito na tayo sa loob guys. Kita nyo yung block na ito guys, itong parang box. Ito is salt ito na binibigay nila para sa mga lamb or leaking salt. Didilaan nila yan hanggang sa maubos. Kasi kailangan din ng mga lamb ng sodium content sa katawan. Lalo na ngayon na summer. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng nutrients is nakukuha nila sa mga grasses. Though merong enough source of protein and other nutrition, pero yung salt, kailangan bigyan din sila ng extra. Tingnan nyo si Anika, guys! Ay! Ay! Is it? Is it soft?
Not hard.
Look at the sheep.
It's so fun.
They're so nice, guys. You can just play with them and touch them. Is it soft? Thick wool. And this is a Finnish lamb, Daddy, right? Yung isa guys, sinusundan si Nico. She's following you. So this is one of the oldest settling area dito sa Finland, guys. And during the olden days, Daddy, what is it? They use and cut these rocks for making axes. Look what Anika did to them. Anika's running there in the field. So this is our tour guide, guys. She's showing us their living space. How cute. Uy, tumae. He's pooping. He's pooping. Clean up. We cannot clean up that one. Sabi ni Anika, let's clean up daw. Ay, nakakatuwa. Ang ganda nila tingnan. Hinahabol pa rin ni Anika yung mga lamb, guys. Gusto niya hawakan yung puti. Yung puti naman is masyadong maselan. Ayaw magpahawak. What's the name of the llamas? What's the... Ha? Mustaya? Mustaya valkoinen lammas. Lamas nuko daw guys. Tutulog na daw sila. Ang ganda nila tingnan. What does it mean?
See that they have made for blades here, like for axes and all kind of tools.
Oh.
Say they're in the mental info.
Baby mama.
Meron daw river dito guys. Ah, yeah. Look at that.
That is like what they have stepping like
Alam nyo guys, simple things like this makes us happy. Napaka-simple lang. May makita lang kami na ganito. Actually, nung nag-move ako ng Finland, I was worried na hindi makakita si Anika ng mga different kinds of animals. Like, dyan sa Philippines, sabi ko, lo, baka di makakita ng frog or butiki yung aking anak. Kasi nga, di ba, iba yung climate dito. Tapos, dumadalaw lang yung mga insects and animals na yun dito minsan. But, thank goodness na nakakita rin talaga siya ng mga different kinds of animals and we experience it. Kasi sabi ko kay Nico, meron naman mga kambing and lamb sa Philippines. Kaso lang, hindi namin sila mahawakan kasi aggressive sila. Pero dito, napaka-calm nila guys. They allow humans to touch them.
Take a breath, it's summer, summer. Smell the perfume in the air. Loving how the days are longer. Sit out on the porch, dear. Tea is sweet like smiles on faces. Water's warm, so jump right in. In the pastures, horses race and breezes blow on your skin. Make it last as long as you can. Make the sunlight your best friend. Sleep with windows open and then begin again. Take a breath, it's summer, summer. Go out barefoot in the rain. Pick tomatoes and cucumber. You can eat them all day. Find a tree and sit right under. Watch the ladybugs take flight. Try and catch a four-leaf clover. Everything is alright. Make it last as long as you can. Make the sunlight your best friend. Sleep with windows open and then begin again. Make it last as long as you can. Make the sunlight your best friend. Sleep with windows open and then begin again. Take a breath, it's summer, summer. Take a breath, it's summer, summer. Take a breath, it's summer, summer.
Meron din silang nilagay dito na water for the lamb guys, para meron silang mainom. Dito guys, so meron na rin mga wild strawberries. I think tomorrow we will be picking wild strawberries. Ito siya is wild strawberries ito guys. Ayan oh, nakakain nito of course. Ang liit niya lang 'di ba? Kasi nga wild. Magpi-pick tayo nito bukas. Iba talaga ang flavor ng wild. Galing sa wild guys. Sobrang tamis. Ang dami dito. Sobrang daming wild strawberries guys. And you can pick them. Ayan o. Sobrang dami. Nakakita si Anika. Did you find?
Ew.
Na, kumain na.
You like stuff
You don't like it?
like it.
You like it? Makain na si Anika, guys. Ito din isa sa mga gusto ko dito sa Finland kasi konting lakad mo lang, makakain ka. Tingnan nyo.
Buy a last time. Buy the
Yeah.
last time. Go.
Nag-picking na ka di, anak. Upo na lang yan siya dyan, guys. Kakain na yan. There's big ones. Did you see? Is it yummy? Is it sour? It's sweet. It's very sweet, guys. Sobra.